Good morning. It's a bit dark in here, isn't it? Is it because I've got my hoodie on? Good morning. We're finally Monday. We finished the video Friday, getting loaded at Carnaby. And it's now Monday already. And we've got Carnaby ticket to go up to Hartlepool. So we said we'd carry this video on from Friday, we'd carry it on from Monday. And then we'll see what we've got for the rest of the day after that. I can't see the mileage on my thing because my steering wheel 88, bear with me, 889995. Right, that's that done. So I always forget that. And with a 10th. New gigs. Picked them up Saturday, new spectacles. Very focused, and I actually get on with them. I didn't think I would. But yeah, you've sort of got to point your head in the right direction, but we're getting on with them. So, look, you've all had a decent weekend. Put the car keys out there. Yeah, I hope you've all had a decent weekend. Not too stressful. Just put my name on there so I don't forget. My reg. And that's the paperwork done. I can fill numbers in later. So yeah, we loaded Carnaby on Friday, which was our last load of the week, to bring back to the yard, quick wash off and home. We are already in. We're the only ones in this morning. First one's into the yard. Rest of the lads are not in yet. So just put my fridge stuff away, my dry food in the cupboards and my uniform on the top bunk. Had a bit of a tidy around of just boiling the kettle ready for a coffee because I'm gasping. I didn't finish my coffee at home. And yeah, we're going to start heading up to Biffa at Hartlepool. I think we might have this on content, but only briefly. So, you know, if you have seen it before, you know, or any videos you think that they're like the same thing, they're similar, same place, some of the same places, but it's always different when you go, and it's always, a lot of the time it's for a different place. The wife is now messaging, she's up, and so yeah, I'm just going to finish off making my coffee, put my card in, just have the quick walk round checks, and then we'll start heading up to Biffa at Hartlepool. See you in a bit. There we go, just pulled out in the yard. And foggy this morning. It were bad from my house to the yard, it were bad. Bit foggy. Excuse me. Yeah, we've got Hartlepool on, so we're just going to head up to Hartlepool and go tip at Biffa. Normally you tip in a little bit inside and then you're outside, unless they've had a good clear out. We might get lucky, we might get it all inside when we get up there. Don't mind this job, it's quite straightforward, in and out. Hand your paperwork in, drive around to Weybridge, you get a light, and then you just drive around waiting on at waiting bays, and then they just call you in. They're quite quick, it's a fast process in and out. Where we go from there, I haven't an actual clue, not a clue, but it's good that way. Oh God, can't shut me out this morning. So yeah, we'll head on up to York. We're just going up 1079. We'll get up to York, and we're fully fueled, we're fully AdBlued for the next couple of days. And yeah, we'll get up to York, let gearbox warm up a little bit because it does take a bit of time, and I'll keep bringing you back as we're getting up there, so we'll see you when we get up there a little bit further. So you're back with me, and we're just up at Middlesbrough, just in a bit of traffic going over the bridge for Hartlepool. Go up into Ibox Beach, it's better. Always a bit of traffic around here because this bridge is horrendous. People coming off front left, because people don't know what lane they want to be in, it's just horrendous. But we're up at Hartlepool at least. We haven't gone bad from York to here. We haven't done bad at all. And that fog's lifted as well, which is good. We needed that that fog to lift, so we're not doing too bad with fog. We'll be about 15 miles-ish off, so we haven't done too bad really. 8 o'clock, so we should be there for about 25 past 8, I would have thought, give or take. And we'll go get the first load of the week off. We'll see when we get there. Here we are. He's coming over to see us, I think. See what he says. Morning, mate.
You can't offload material.
I can.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, you can't offload material.
I can load off.
Yeah?
I can offload.
Load? Okay, offload.
Offload, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Alright, mate. What was he on about? I don't understand what he was on about. Another one pulling in. So yeah, we're here. One of the deals, and we'll be loading in 1 or 2 there. There's 1 or 2. See what they do. He loads that trailer. Bill's just at the side of me. Jenkins at the other side of me. And this is Biffa. Film going out because I didn't get a chance to film coming in. So just wait for him to give us a shout, and then we'll go down and we'll go in and tip. It looks empty. Normally it's coming out at the door, but it's not today, so yeah, we'll just wait till we see what they say. Let's get it off. Oh, we're close there to that pillar. Beep. Good job having my helmet on then. Keep me on there. Isn't it Jenkins what I don't even know the roofs. I've always been told to open my roof up just in case it rips the sheet, but some people aren't that bothered, to be fair. Right, we're just going to get in and get tipping. Right, let's go see if the door's stuck. Oh, I've got it all off. We're not in running me over. I wanted to show you a big pile of it, but I got it right up. Like that pile over there. Coming out of the back, but want to be. No, there's still a bit left on actually. go. Quick fall back on. It ain't quite falling out, but what we'll do is we'll just do a bit of a shunt back reverse. And put revs on. Not working, I don't think. That bit done, just edge forward, then I'm not walking in it, and then we're done. We can get the flock out of here. I don't want to be tramming through all that rubbish, but if we get forward a bit, remember to shut this box. Out seagulls having a feast. Bit more. Yeah. Just trying to do it as what you see is what I see. That's that done. DLL parking in. There for loading them lads. There. Something in my boot. It's doing my head in. Oh nice. And a bird There's actually shit in my doorway. The mucky git. And a right dump in my doorway. Right. You'll just see my steering wheel for a second. But we're just putting the roof on. So that's that done. We are just heading back out. So we need to go around this one-way system onto the weighbridges here. We'll get a green light. It'll probably just take it from the weights from FCC, to be fair. And back up to Gatehouse, just there, and then we'll start heading over to Washington. We're going to load out a HW Martin. Loaded out of there before. I don't think I filmed there, if I'm honest. It might be a walk-on job. I know it was a walk-on job last time we were in there. Green light. Are we gonna get a green light? Yeah, walk-on job last time there. It wasn't so bad. He didn't do too bad, to be fair, lad. That's going to Transwaste. Transwaste. I think I've been once before. It's not my favourite place. It's just chaotic. It was last time I were there. It was mad. But we'll get this off Weybridge first. We'll go get loaded first and then we'll worry about Transwaste later. But yeah, it gets us back down our own end, which I'm thinking if he's having me back down that end, something's happening for the better. We'll just leave it at that, for the better, so we shall see. Right, we're just gonna nip out of here, park here. Right, we're just gonna go nip in and get paperwork. Yeah, that's that done. We are heading out for Washington. Oh, get you right in view at camera so you can see me. Yeah, Washington, that's where we're heading. HW Martin, so we'll get going out. The tanks, they're just there, other side of there. Way up, just other side of there. AVG Hartlepool, they've got AVG Middlesbrough, AVG Hartlepool. We'd tip and load out of there, digest it out, but we'd load in like beer, milk, cream, stuff like that. That was there. Good set of lads there, good laugh. Yeah, I missed them days, they were good. They used to in the early years of working there, you could actually walk down here. There's a fair walk and houses on right. You could go to gym in there, just pay as you go and go in gym. And I used to do that every time I was up here. You get a shower, gym, train, walk back, cardio in. It was brilliant. Now I'm just a fatty again, just can't be bothered. Just ain't got the time with home life and stuff like that. So that's that. So that's the first tip of the morning, Hartlepool. We loaded that Friday. That is on a video. The one before this is the loading of Carnaby, and then we've carried it on this week to show you the tipping of that load, which the weekend went like that. Anyway, enough of me rabbiting on this morning. We're gonna head to Washington and we'll go show you HW Martin. It'll be a load of tin, I would have thought, or no, it could be a load of plastic actually, hard plastic, is what it could be. So we shall skedaddle over to Washington. We're 30 mile away, so we won't be too long. For a DAF, that's a nice wagon, O-shaped DAF, it's gorgeous. Bulk and livestock. Not a bad trailer as well either. Right, we're just at HW Martin, that's where we're at now. So I'm just gonna, there's a couple here. I'm just gonna sort me roof out and make sure my door ain't moved. General waste I think we're coming for, and yeah, we'll just sit and wait and get loaded. We'll get him. So we're just we've been here ages now. We could have probably had a full break here, but I didn't get one in because I thought I'd be going in a lot faster than this. Excuse me. Anyway, he's just come out to see me. He's just going to push a load that's been dropped off by a skip wagon. He's going to push it up, beat me, driving on an angle, and then he's going to start loading me. So we're finally getting loaded. Down to Hull, trans waste down at Hull, tip it down there. Yeah, and that'll be our second load for the day. So he's just scooting it up, and we can get out of Washington and get back down. So not a bad morning run around really, is it? It's not a bad loaded first thing straight up and then round corner to reload. But this is Washington, H&W Martin, and here we go. We are off in. Let's go get loaded. So that is what we're loading. General waste. First bucket going on, and we'll just watch the weight go up on our scales. He'll get us loaded, and then we can get out. Took the last one quite a while to get loaded, so see how quick he is. Right, that's us out of there. Just coming out now. God, that was it's 11:30. I don't know what time I actually got in there, but I bet I've been in there a couple of hours. We didn't quite get the 30-minute break that we wanted. Not to worry. We've got an hour and 45 minutes driving to do, so we can get half an hour in that, and then yeah, down to trans waste in Hull, and then we're reloading out of trans waste back up to Biffa at Hartlepool. So not a bad little run around for the day. That'll do us for a decent video, hopefully, and hopefully it's worth a watch of what we capture. So get back on A19. We'll just scoot straight down A19 all the way, get to York. I think we'll go York way, up the bypass, and we'll get to trans waste. It's not my favourite place to tip. It's just chaotic. I'll show you when we're down there. It's a bit of a headache. The last time I was there, it was quite a big headache, even just getting in and out. So, but you know, every day is different, innit? So we'll go down to trans waste and see how much fun we get on there. But we'll come back as we're getting down to A19, see if we can see out decent today, see who we see on the road. Come on mate, we can get out. Right, we'll press on up the A19, down the A19, aren't we? We're going south. Down the A19, we'll see you shortly. We just stopped for a break. Just on the A19, just chucked it in a lay-by because I need half an hour. Nearly got half an hour and I think I was about 8 minutes short. 4 minutes short, something like that. I kept looking at the time thinking, oh no, they're still scraping it off the side, still patting it down. You know, they're going to be at least more than 4 minutes. And no other lad came and helped him, and they got it done in about a minute. So yeah, we had to sort of pull out because there was another lad to go in. But I could have waited, to be fair, because he was asleep on his bunk. So I don't know. Don't know what anybody thinks about them new Volvos. One of Woody Fuels has just passed me in one of new Volvos. They got that before Christmas when we were doing Harwick or Horwick up north in the woods there, and got it, and I think it's the same one, and it's not my cup of tea at all. It just doesn't look, the new style facelift Volvo just does not do it for me. So yeah, he's just passed me. So we've had 17 minutes of this break, and once we've had half an hour, we'll have had a full 45 because we had 15 minutes earlier, and we'll be able to get going again. We are here, Transwest. Here we go, onto the bridge, and oh, we need to tell him we need a reload as well, so we'll do that. Let's get on bridge and get weighed. And here we are, Transwest. Just had to get in quickly because they've got quite a few wagons in. There's a lad there waiting to get in, but we're just tipping behind. You've got to be careful. Certain places, they don't want you to, obviously they don't want you to film a lot of waste places, because you know what they tip and what they don't tip and where they put it, and health and safety and all that sort of stuff. So we'll just be a bit careful. So we are tipping this, then reloading. So we'll tip, go around the one-way system, back down to the bottom end, wait there, he'll come and get us, and then he'll load us. So we'll see if we can get a bit on the loading side as well. Bear with. Tipped to you before, this is a new one for a reload. Comes from in there. He's loading the front of me, then he'll ask me to move forward, load the middle, then move forward, then he'll load the back. Then I've got to go around the other side, get the 360, he'll pat it down, and then we can go. But yeah, we're just in the shed. So where he's loading me from, if we reversed out and we look to the right, that's where I've just tipped basically. So it's just a one-way system, you just have to keep going around it till you get to the point where you need to be at. So yeah, he's just in there, he'll grab it, stick it on me, I'll move forward. Then we're going to come out of this door, turn right, follow it down and pick the 360 up, and he'll stamp it down. Don't know if you can see, but the black and white cat running across the place. It's just come out of down there. Don't know what it was doing, but I can imagine it'd be flea ridden and bloody all sorts on it. So yeah, we'll get loaded and then we'll get round to 360. Right, we're out, and I think the 360 that is there will pop up in a second. Grab some 360 there. I think that's what it's going to pat me down, as far as I know. We aren't going to make Biffa where we tipped this morning. We aren't going to make that tonight. They shut at 5. We're not going to get up there till 5:45 if we set off now. So we'll park somewhere up Hartlepool way, tip this in the morning, and then we'll find out where we're going from there. And yeah, we'll just wait for him to pat us down, and then we'll get running up to Hartlepool. I do like his door handles. I do quite like that. Ernest Cooper. See quite a few of them on the road. So yeah, we're just going to sit and hang fire. Right, we've just been stamped down. Now we're just going back out. So this is us leaving Transwaste. Been in quite a while. We had to wait quite a bit, and just time consuming. Getting tips, driving round, waiting, getting loaded, then waiting to get the thingy down. So we'll get up Weybridge. You don't get your weight with this, which is good. So we'll see what these lads have got to say. That's us out, and we'll wait a little wait at the train track crossing, railway crossing, and then we can get heading back up towards Hartlepool. So just have to wait here for a bit while the train goes past, and then yeah, we'll get up there, and we'll be back, I think, when we get parked up. Just thinking where to park. There's a few spots that I know. We'll get up to Hartlepool, and we'll be back. See you up at Hartlepool again. Oh, we're parked up. Finally. I am shattered. There was no chance I was going to get to Biffa tonight anyway, so 6:30. We've just got parked at Middlesbrough. I park here quite a lot. It's quite industrial estate. Now it happens. So don't need to go anywhere. So we're going to put some tea on. So that's it for today. So just for this, we're just going to leave this video here. It's just going to be a quick short day's video. You've seen the Biffa run because you saw that this morning. We've been to Transwaste, and we've been up to H&W Martin, whatever they're called, loaded out of there. Not a bad day, to be fair. So yeah, so we'll just leave that here. We haven't had a bad day. It's my tea time, and it won't be long. We thought it's my bedtime. Mondays are hard because everyone's knackered on a Monday, aren't they? So I can't wait to get into bed. So that's that, guys. Another video done. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Give us a like, give us a thumbs up, give us a follow, leave a comment. We'll try and get back to all our comments, and we shall see you on some up and coming interesting videos to come. Good videos, a very good video, but that's to come. So we shall see you shortly. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.